It was the final Saturday home game of the year, the Pelicans taking on the Wilmington Blue Rocks in their penultimate home game of the regular season. Let's go to the highlights.
What a game it was on Saturday night. Paul Blackburn taking the hill. Blackburn went just 2 innings today. The bases loaded against him in the second, but he got out of the jam. And that would be the story on Saturday night, getting out of jams from Pelicans pitchers. In that bases loaded spot, 1 out, he gets Escolar looking on a fastball, gets a ground ball to end the inning. That was it for Blackburn, just the 2. The Pelicans shut out the Blue Rocks, and it went a while. We won't spoil it yet for you, but Tyler Eyrig was part of it. 5 scoreless innings. He gets his man here in the 5th, Mauricio Ramos swinging on the curveball. Michael Heesh, 3 scoreless. He got him in the 8th. 1 of 5 strikeouts on the night for the big left-hander. David Berg gets Dominique Taylor. That ends the 11th inning. Berg tossed another scoreless inning in the 12th, and in the bottom of the 12th, finally, the game ended. Nobody on, 2 outs. Jason Vossler at the plate. And say hello walk-off homer, nearly hitting it in the glove of the God Axelrod sign in right center field. Vossler's 6th homer, the Pelicans' 3rd walk-off home run of the year, and their 8th walk-off win of the season. The win helps the Pelicans keep pace with the Winston-Salem Dash, who won again on Saturday. Pelicans are 3.5 behind the Dash with 8 games to play in the regular season for the second half title. Winston-Salem clinched their postseason spot on Saturday with a win and a Carolina loss. So the Pelicans will be facing the Dash in the Southern Division Championship Series, the first round of the Carolina League playoffs, beginning on September the 9th. The final home game of the season, at least the regular season, is on Sunday. Tyler Scalina gets the ball. We send it out to Hannah Eads, who will tell you what you can expect when you make it out to the ballpark, and please do.
Sunday is Family Sunday. Fans, make sure to bring your glove along for a pregame catch on the field. It's also the Pelicans' last fireworks show of the season. It's going to be a night you do not want to miss. We'll see you at the ballpark.